What's up, everybody? Stock price predictions here. Hope you're having a great weekend. Please hit that like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell also. In this video, we're going to get into inflation, what happened with this inflation report. We're going to talk about Tesla, and we're also going to be talking about the recession and if we are in one. So, not a financial advisor, so do your own research when investing. All right, so let's get into this. Let's get in this horrible inflation report. Inflation has gone up 8.2%. That's high. That's the highest that it has ever been reported. So used cars, they were trending down through the month of April when we got May's report. Now in May, used cars are going back up. So we were starting to see a decline in some areas in inflation, but now they're ticking back up. Airlines are up 14% in a month. Eggs have gone up like 6%. Everything's going up. Now, this is my opinion on it. The inflation numbers are a lie. The CPI data is a lie. All right, ever since inflation has been rising, the government has been, they're putting out fake numbers. And in my opinion, this month, they made it all high because they wanted it to be high. They wanted it to be 8.4%. In my opinion, they put it this way because what they want to do is they want to scare the retail investors and they want them to sell out. They want everyone to sell out because you know what? I think they're ready to start buying. Okay, inflation was actually ticking down. Okay, and you can tell inflation is going down because inventory's gone up. Inventory in Target and Walmart is up 60%. Okay, people are spending less money. They're spending 30% less money right now. Okay, the spending's going down, inventory's going up, inflation is going down. They just printed this high number out. Yeah, inflation may still be high, but they put this high number out all of a sudden when inventory is going up. Inventory is going up. Okay? Inventory is rising, inflation's going to be coming down. So they are giving these high numbers now, all of a sudden, higher, just to scare you guys to sell because they want you to think the market's about to crash even more. I think it's the opposite. I think they're going to start buying back into the market at these cheap rates, and the market's going to start to rally. This was all just fake numbers like it always is. Okay, yeah, inflation's high. It could be higher than 8.4. But they put this data out to scare you guys, and that's my opinion, and I really think the market's going to turn around. Okay, with us being in a recession, the GDP was already negative in the last quarter. All we need is one more quarter of the GDP to be negative when the report comes out, and we will be in a recession. Now, when you look that up, the GDP, when it goes negative 2 in a row, we're in a recession. That's the gross domestic product. So, with that being said, that we are already in a recession, that means the stock market's going to turn around. Because when you look at the graphs and you look at the statistics, stock market always falls before a recession, almost always. Stock market has been going down since November, really. But mainly, let's talk about this year. Since January, it's been going down. Now, when the recession hits, the market recovers before the economy. So the stock market's always ahead of the game. So therefore, if we are in a recession, the market should start to recover quick, especially once they announce it through media that we're in a recession. If you study the economy right now, you will see there's a high chance, and I'm willing to bet, that we are in a recession. So with the Fed trying to scare us more, putting out 8.4, which is probably higher than that. It's probably at 10%, to be honest. It's probably been higher than 8% and higher than what they're reporting regardless anyways. For them to come out and say that it went down in May, a lot of things went down in May, and then they spiked up in June, and they went down in April, just a scare tactic. I really think the market's about to turn around. the recession we're in, they're trying to scare us more into selling so they can buy back in cheaper. I really think that's what's happening now. I think it's time the market's going to turn around, and I think that's going to happen. Let's get into Tesla. So we're going to have a vote. Shareholders are going to get a meeting, and where you will vote to get a 3-to-1 split in Tesla. I was hoping it would be more than that, but it's only going to. So if you own 1 share of Tesla, you're going to end up getting 3 shares of Tesla, which I'm happy for that. You know, I'd like to have 100 shares of Tesla. So if I have 34 now, and it gives a 3-to-1 split, I'll be over 100. So, you know, I'll be happy. That'll be great. I'd be happy with, you know, having 100 shares of Tesla. You know, so let's see what the stock will do leading up to the split, and what it's going to do after the split. You know, 5 years from now, Tesla's going to be, you're going to get, you know, rewarded. You're going to make gains on your money. Tesla's a great company, probably the best company in the world right now. You know, they're going to build warehouses. They're going to supply. They're going to be able to build cars. They have their own battery. Tesla's a great company, but that's another video for that. But the Tesla split is going to be great. 3-to-1. Let me know how you feel about Tesla and how many shares of Tesla you have in your portfolio, and if you like Tesla or if you don't like Tesla. But I think Tesla is probably the best company to get the most gains back, in my opinion. Not a financial advisor. I would go with Tesla. I would go with Apple. I would go with Microsoft, index funds, Google. You know, all those are great companies. So what are your favorite stocks? Let me know what your favorite is to buy in your portfolio. What do you like to hold? So let's see how this recession is going to go. The date of the announcement of the recession will be July 28th. That's when the report comes out. So let's see if they're officially going to announce it July 28th. Let's see. But I think we're in a recession now. I think the Fed came out with that CPI report to scare people, to crash the market, so they could buy back cheaper. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back later tonight with another video. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all on the next one.